It's about 35 degrees outside today, so I thought I'd make a quick video inside and show you how I've culled my electrical kit. So this was the electrical kit I previously took. Video 37 and 38 was where I decided to start culling stuff because I was just carrying too much stuff. And so the key is to get single use if you can. So previously I'd carried all my electrical kit in this, and this is actually my travel electrical kit. So when I travel, I actually take this with me, so it takes all my connectors and adapters with it. Now this is about, what's that, 10 inches 250 by 7 inches 180 and probably about 3 inches high, so what's that, 70. So it's about, so as I say, it's about, what's that, 250 by 180 by 70. So it's not that small. It doesn't weigh anything. It's quite a lightweight little bag, and as I said, I usually carry all my electrical equipment in it when I travel. So I want to get, as I noted previously in the video, I wanted to go smaller and go lightweight. So this is all the stuff I carried. And it's actually got multi-use, so I can use things multiple times. So if I keep stuff on this side and get rid of the stuff on that side, so I might park this. So this is really used for a different purpose. As I said, I just threw it in the Suzuki, but I probably don't need it. So I'll get rid of that. I took an adapter, so I don't need that. So I can get rid of my adapter straight away. I actually had, if you look at the top there, I had 4 lights. So I had a headlamp with batteries. There's actually spare batteries there. A headlamp with batteries, a lantern for the 10, and 2 torches. God knows why I had all that. So what I'm going to do is I can actually, my headlight's rechargeable, so I can get rid of my batteries. I can get rid of my my torches and my tent lantern, and all I'm going to use is a rechargeable headlamp. So that's good. So I got rid of that. That was for the it's a USB-C, I think, for one of the torches, so that can go. That was a multiple USB connector, so that can go. Now for my GoPro, this is my GoPro charger. It's a fast USB-C charger. I think it's about 3 amps on the top and 1.5 amps for normal USB-C. So I need to keep that because I've got my GoPro 5 and my GoPro 10, which I'm using here. This is for the fast charger for the batteries. I'm tempted to keep that because it does chew up batteries fairly quickly, and so when you want to charge them somewhere, it's handy to plug them in to this and just charge them both quickly. So I think I'll keep my charger and my cradle. This little doodah here is for my phone, so you can use that if you want to watch your phone anywhere. So if you want to watch your phone at the campsite or something like that, you can use it, which is quite handy. So I'll use that. I'll keep that, it doesn't weigh anything. So my phone definitely goes. My quad lock little support can go. Now I also keep my USB iPhone cable. Now I don't actually need that because I can charge it on my handlebars as I've shown previously, but it's handy if it ever runs out in the campsite, so I will take that, and that does plug into the GoPro. This is for my Garmin, so my Garmin XT uses that. Now I don't actually need to carry that because it charges on the bike, but just in case I will carry that. These are a pair of earphones for the iPhone, so if I want to listen to my earphones, I'll listen to that. The spare battery and the other GoPro go with me on the bike, so that's sort of to the side. These are my GoPro cables. So my GoPro cables, the USB fits into that, and the other one I can charge another thing on the go as well. You can charge actually 3 out. You can charge that plus something else, so that's quite handy to take those. Now this is interesting. This is the original BMW helmet for the communicator, and it's, I don't know what you call that. It's one of these, I don't know what you call it, connector actually. But anyway, it's an individual connector that's not the same as anything else. I did think about getting rid of this and just taking a cable, but the problem I have is the BMW helmet actually has a temperature sensor in it. I think this is a smart charger of some description, because I tried to plug this into the helmet with the GoPro. The GoPro gives it an extra ½ an amp, plus it doesn't have a temperature sensor, and I think when the battery gets hot, this charger starts cutting back the input, and so I don't think I can get rid of this and replace it with a cable. So I'll have to, I will have to carry this. So that goes with me on the bike, along with that. So you can see there I'm getting down a little bit already. Now there is one item here, which is, it is a bit of a luxury item, but I do like it. I tend to blow up my camp equipment with this very small portable pump. And the reason I do that is it stops getting condensation from your breath inside your pillow and your mattress. And so I do like carrying that, and it keeps them free from any bacteria and mold. And it's very light. There's nothing to it. So I think that's all my electrical equipment now. And so I did have a spare Maxpedition pouch. I think this is a Fatty, which is quite apt. I think this is a Fatty, this one's called. And so what I'll do is, the Fatty is a lot smaller than that one. It's only 140 by 220 by 50, I think it is. And so this is a lot smaller. And so basically all my stuff will go in a much smaller Fatty pouch. And so that's, I've probably thirded my volume and halved my weight, if not more. And so I think that's a good outcome. I think I've got a good outcome here. And so what I'll do is I'll run with this, and I think that's the minimum I can get away with. Plus my cable's in that side. So I think that's probably the minimum I can get away with for the electrical equipment. You just carry so much electrical equipment nowadays with phones and GoPros and things like that. And if you don't carry that stuff, well, it's easy. But if you do carry the stuff, it's not so good. And so that's my electrical equipment in a little pouch. And that's substantially, I think, reduced my size and weight for my electrical equipment. So I'll take that now, and we'll run with that, and it gets rid of a lot of stuff. Good outcome. Thanks for watching.